Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to paint a landscape using watercolors. So watch the video till the end. Firstly, I'm taking cerulean blue mixed with Prussian blue color for painting this house. I'm applying a mixture of burnt umber, violet and yellow ochre here. For the roof, I'm using chrome yellow, orange, rose pink and violet color. Now applying the first layer to the trees and grasses. For that, I'm using lemon yellow, chrome yellow, sap green, Prussian blue and ultramarine blue color. Now I'm adding the details to the roof using a 0 number round brush. For this I have taken the mixture of violet and raw umber color. Now here I am using dry brush technique to create some darker shades. I am using the same color, that is violet and raw umber mixed together. Taking a mixture of Prussian blue and ultramarine blue color for adding more shade to the trees. Using burnt umber mixed with violet color for creating the branches. I'm just creating some random branches here. Now adding some more branches. So here it is completed. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see in the upcoming videos, and do follow me on my Instagram and Facebook pages. Both the links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.